Welcome to Chikmagalur. Nestled in the heart of Karnataka, this charming town is often referred to as India's coffee land. Right in the middle of Karnataka, this cool town is known as India's coffee land. It's a place where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, and the lush green hills are a sight to behold, and it's easy to see why. From the amazing smell of fresh coffee everywhere, to the sight of coffee beans being roasted to perfection, Chikmagalur is a sensory delight. The beautiful views of rolling green hills covered in coffee plants are simply breathtaking. It's a paradise for nature lovers and coffee enthusiasts alike. Whether you love nature, are a coffee expert like adventure, or want some peace and quiet, Chikmagalur has something for you. You can hike through the coffee plantations, taste different varieties of coffee, or simply relax and enjoy the serene environment. Get ready to be amazed. The beauty of Chikmagalur is sure to leave you spellbound. Let's explore the magic of Chikmagalur together. From the coffee farms to the scenic landscapes, there's so much to see and do. This pretty town is waiting for you, and it's a trip you'll remember forever. The friendly locals, the delicious coffee, and the stunning views make it a perfect getaway. So relax and let me show you around. Together, we'll uncover the hidden gems of Chikmagalur and create memories that will last a lifetime. Chikmagalur is full of amazing natural beauty. Nestled in the western Ghats of Karnataka, this region is a paradise for nature lovers. The lush greenery, rolling hills, and diverse flora and fauna make it a perfect getaway from the hustle and bustle of city life. Big mountains, waterfalls, and calm lakes make it a beautiful and peaceful place. The serene environment is perfect for those looking to unwind and reconnect with nature. The sound of birds chirping and the gentle rustle of leaves in the wind create a symphony that soothes the soul. Mullayanagiri Peak, the highest point in Karnataka, is a huge 1,930 meters tall. This majestic peak offers breathtaking views and is a popular spot for trekking enthusiasts. The journey to the top is challenging but rewarding, with panoramic vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. The views from the top are incredible. On a clear day, you can see the entire Chikmagalur district with its patchwork of coffee plantations and dense forests. The sight is truly mesmerizing and worth every step of the climb. Hiking to the top is a fun adventure, taking you through thick forests and showing you all kinds of plants and animals. The trail is dotted with vibrant wildflowers, and if you're lucky, you might even spot some wildlife like deer or exotic birds. Hebby Falls is another amazing sight. This stunning waterfall is located deep within the forest and is accessible only by a trek or a jeep ride. The journey to Hebby Falls is an adventure in itself, with the path winding through dense forests and coffee plantations. The water falls from 168 meters high. The sight of the water cascading down the rocky cliffs is awe-inspiring, and the mist created by the falling water adds a magical touch to the scene. The sound of the water and the green plants around it is like a nature concert. The soothing sounds of the waterfall, combined with the lush greenery, create a tranquil atmosphere that is perfect for relaxation and meditation. Kalathagiri Falls and Hirakolali Lake are two other cool places to visit. Kalathagiri Falls is known for its serene environment and is a great spot for picnics and nature walks. Hirakolali Lake, on the other hand, offers a peaceful setting for boating and enjoying the scenic beauty of the surrounding hills. Kalathagiri Falls is super peaceful, and Hirakolali Lake is great for a relaxing boat ride. Whether you're an adventure seeker or someone looking to unwind, Chikmagalur has something to offer for everyone. Its natural beauty and serene landscapes make it a true masterpiece of nature. You can smell coffee everywhere in Chikmagalur. The rich aroma fills the air, greeting you as soon as you arrive. It's a scent that promises warmth and comfort, a prelude to the experience that awaits. It's the heart of India's coffee world, a region renowned for its lush plantations and high-quality beans. The landscape is dotted with coffee estates, each with its own unique story and flavor profile. Coffee is a big part of the area's history and how people make a living. Generations of families have dedicated their lives to cultivating these beans, passing down their knowledge and passion through the years. You have to visit a coffee plantation while you're here. It's an immersive experience where you can walk through the rows of coffee plants, guided by experts who share fascinating insights about the cultivation process. You can see how coffee goes from a bean to your cup. The journey is intricate and involves several stages, from picking and drying to roasting and grinding. Each step is crucial in developing the final flavor. Learn how it's grown, processed, and roasted. Discover the meticulous care that goes into each phase, ensuring that every cup of coffee you drink is of the highest quality. You can even try picking coffee beans yourself. It's a hands-on experience that gives you a deeper appreciation for the hard work and dedication involved in coffee farming. If you really love coffee, visit the Coffee Museum in Chikmagalur town. This museum is a treasure trove of information, offering a comprehensive look at the history and evolution of coffee. It tells you all about the history and everything about coffee. From ancient brewing techniques to modern innovations, the exhibits are both educational and engaging. And don't leave without having a cup of fresh coffee at a local cafe. These cafes serve some of the best brews you'll ever taste. Made from beans grown right in the region. The smell, the taste, everything about it is amazing. It's an experience that stays with you, a delightful memory of Chikmagalur's rich coffee culture. If you like adventure, Chikmagalur is perfect for you. You can hike through forests or go whitewater rafting. The Badra Wildlife Sanctuary has tons of animals and plants. Go on a jeep safari and see elephants, tigers, leopards and lots of birds. If you like hiking, try the Kudramukh and Mullayanagiri trails. They're tough, but the views are amazing. And if you want a water adventure, go rafting in the Badra River. It's super exciting. Chikmagalur isn't just about nature and adventure, it's a special place for quiet reflection too. There are many temples and religious places that show the area's rich history. The Sringeri Sharada Peetham is a very important place for Hindus. People come from all over to visit this temple. Other cool temples are the Sharadamba Temple, the Hoysalswara Temple in Halebidu, and the Kodanda Ramaswamy Temple. Visiting these temples is like going back in time. You can see the amazing architecture and feel the peacefulness of these places. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.